In the B2B world, everyone has a blog and ebooks and case studies, but video is untapped. Video is a godsend for SaaS marketers, yet a lot of marketers are sleeping on SaaS video content. If you don't believe me, look at your top 3 competitors and check out their YouTube channel, or if they have any video content hosted on their website. Even if they do, they probably haven't posted it in years, and the content is outdated, and we believe that's a fantastic opportunity for you. And here are the numbers. 36% of consumers would like more educational or explainer-style content. 41% higher likelihood of closing a SaaS sale for a sales pitch that includes video, and most importantly, YouTube is the second largest search engine, so not producing content there is a huge missed opportunity. Alright, so you might say, these are just some numbers from some random articles. Well, we've produced hundreds of explainer videos, product demos, and more videos just like this one for some of the leading SaaS companies, and we've seen amazing results. The good news is that there is so much opportunity for you as a marketer and for your SaaS company to untap this high-performance content medium, which can bring you millions of views and tons of signups with limited effort. In this video, I want to give you 6 video content ideas that performed well for the companies we've worked with and an actionable plan for how you can get started. Grab your popcorn and maybe some tea because we're really about to get into it. Before you dive into the world of video, you need to sort a few things out first. Though there are plenty of options to explore, make sure your video content aligns with your goals. So, segment your audience. Identify what you want to achieve with your SaaS video marketing campaign, and pick a video type for a specific goal and target audience. Now that we have that out of the way, let's look at the top 6 types of SaaS video content that drives growth. So let's start the list with educational videos just like the one you're watching right now. We can call these tutorials and how-to videos. Another way of looking at them is just like having your blog content on YouTube. Instructional videos can teach your audience something new. These marketing videos can also build the foundational knowledge they'll need to better understand your business and solutions. These videos are a fantastic way to get in front of a new audience and diversify your content marketing efforts and platforms. The beautiful thing about these educational videos is that you probably have the script 80% done already. And what I mean by that is that there's tons of written content you're already producing, like blogs and ebooks. These written resources that took weeks to research and write can be brought to life on YouTube with minimal effort. The results also speak for themselves. Take one of our latest clients, Teleport HQ, for example. They turned their written tutorials into a video which brought them 35,000 views in a relatively short amount of time. If this sounds good to you, send us a message and we can help you craft a content plan for your SaaS company and also help you produce them. The next type of video I'm going to talk about might not get you crazy amounts of organic views, but it will directly impact how your users interact with your product and also help leads pull the trigger on buying your product. I'm talking, of course, about product demos / explainer videos. If you're going to launch a cutting-edge software service, you can communicate its value in a succinct and engaging way using a product demo video or an explainer. These types of videos are perfect for pitching new leads, introducing them in outreach emails, and even in investor meetings. So whether you're targeting C-suite executives or your average Joe, demos and explainers can help you break through that short attention span barrier and help with lead generation. If you don't know where to start creating product demos, we've put together a library of video script templates and a large database of copy ideas so you can write your script easier. We actually have a video script template for almost all types of videos, so you can check it out in the description box below. Let's go to the next type of video, which is the user onboarding video using tools like Videodeck or Tolstoy. And here's what I mean by that. Over the past few years, we've seen an awesome trend in how software companies interact with their website visitors. More and more companies are embedding conversational videos on their website using tools like Tolstoy and Videodeck. These no-code tools allow them to make every website visit a face-to-face conversation. Tools like Tolstoy and Videodeck make it super easy to create branching video journeys so every viewer gets only the information they want and feels more invested and engaged. Explain complex products and features in a fraction of the time and cost. The beautiful thing about these tools is that it allows your users to also respond through videos, or maybe ask a quick question to your support through a video. Check out both Tolstoy and Videodeck and hit us up if you need help creating these types of videos. Now, let's move on to another emerging format, which is the Shorts format. And of course, I'm talking about producing content on short-form video platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and whatever other platform allows you to use this video format. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms right now. By the end of 2021, TikTok had reached over 3 billion downloads globally. YouTube Shorts reached 1.5 billion monthly logged-in users as of June 2022. If you do decide to give Shorts a try, remember that TikTok content is entertaining, clever, and personal, so you'll have to match that energy. Also, the biggest backlash against B2B brands joining the platform has been that users want TikTok to stay a creative, authentic channel for human-to-human interactions. TikTok users want to see real humans creating entertaining, informational, and personal content, so take that into consideration when building your content strategy. If you need help with your TikTok, we have some creative Gen Zers in our team, including myself, that can help you create awesome shorts. Alright, we're almost done. Let's jump into the fifth and final type of video content that can help your SaaS drive growth: video testimonials. Customer testimonial videos are a way to let your customers do the talking for you. Customer testimonials provide an overwhelming sense of trust when attracting new business and have been proven to close deals exponentially faster. Creating customer testimonial videos shows the world your capabilities and your satisfied customer base. The most valuable part of a testimonial video is getting your clients to vocalize the problem they were faced with and how your company provided a solution. If you need help with your testimonial videos, we recommend the folks from TestimonialHero. They can help you by asking the customer the questions that matter, and also with the production side with both remote and on-site testimonials. And that's it. If this video convinced you to give one of these video types a try, let me know in the comments below. If you plan on getting into video marketing and you need help on the production side, check out Videodeck.co. We're a better way to outsource video production. We help software companies produce videos just like this one at scale. You can find a link to our website and a Calendly link to book a call with me in the description box below. Y'all are the best. See you in the next one.